off your phone! You f***ing idiot! Get the f*** off your phone! You're in the wrong f***ing lane! You cut me off! Get the f*** off! You're on your f***ing phone!
Don't put your hand on my car.
Bro, you almost hit me whilst you're on the phone!
See you, brother.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Don't touch my car.
He's on the phone driving, he was in the wrong lane. Calm down, you f*** off. It's got to do with you. Watch you asshole. Back up, back up, back up.
What can I do for you?
Do you want to around?
You're the one that's around, dude.
You were in a red light, and then you cut in front of me.
You're in the turn lane, and then try to get in front of cars.
There's two lanes merging, you. Two lanes merging. One car, one car, one car,
and I was
one
in front
car.
of you, and you speed up to try to get in front.
Next time I won't stop that close if you around.
Good influence in front of your kids, dude.
Yeah, yeah. Anytime you see an like this, knock him over his motorcycle. Piece of I too.
Off, dude. Let's see, license plate 33.
Jesus Christ, man. I can die, you know.
This is amazing. This is the real thing. It's so smooth. The inline 4, it is just so smooth. Hey buddy, could you please not use your phone while you're driving? It's dangerous for us. Thanks, buddy.
Don't get away from my bike.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hello everyone, Mad Mo Lad here. Just to make it clear for this video, myself and my girlfriend were in Phoenix Park. We were just chilling near the grass. We were taking a few pictures, and as we got onto the bike, this lady just was cycling towards us. As soon as she seen my bike, she literally jumped off the bike, dropped the bike onto the ground, and started recording me, and then started denying the fact that she was recording us. And I'm pretty sure she was pretending that she was calling the police. I'm pretty sure her camera app was open the whole time. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.
What are you doing?
Are you help us or? Sorry? You're right.
Are you okay? Why are you recording me?
Sorry?
Why are you recording me?
What do you mean, why am I recording you? What?
You're literally standing there recording me.
I'm on the phone to the police about a motorbike that nearly just ran me over on this road.
Yeah?
You asked me what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And I said I'm on the phone to the police about a motorbike that just nearly ran me over on this road.
Me? Someone else or me?
I don't know who it was. I just explained. You said, "Am I okay?" And I just said, "I'm on the phone to the police."
But you're recording me.
You're not allowed to be on this road.
Yes, I am. I am.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's blocked off to cars.
There, it isn't.
Okay. Hello. Are you still there? Okay. Now there's another motorbike now on this road, so maybe you can just confirm in case I've made a mistake. The road. Can you stop that, please? Can you stop that, please? Can you stop that, please? Because I'm on the phone to the police.
Don't get away from my bike.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're gonna get.
And I'm explaining to you that you're not allowed to.
Yeah, get away from me. Get away from me.
What are you doing?
Get away from me.
What are you doing? Can you take a video, please? Can you take a photo of this bike, please?
What's wrong with you?
Just take a photo of the bike. Move. Can you move?
Get away. Get out of the way.
Can you hear this?
Get out of the way.
This guy is literally threatening. And
Well,
he's not
can
meant
you
to be on the
move?
road.
Take your bike and go. Let's go. What's your problem?
No, I don't.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Shut it off. Shut it off. Shut it off. Shut it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Get off. You're leaving. You're leaving. Yeah. Get out of here. You got on. Come on. You're under arrest, man. You're under arrest.
Idiot.
Wow, I almost died. Holy fuck, I can't believe I almost died! Holy shit!
पेट्रोल पंप का मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता यार, वो एक पेट्रोल पंप है जिसमें मुझे ट्रस्ट है। कहाँ उधर वो है आपकी लेन अंकल, ये नहीं है आपकी लेन। सब इधर ही घुसाए चले आ रहे हैं यार। इधर ही डाल दो, मुझे ही घुसा दो, ऊपर चढ़ा दो यार। तू भी ऊपर चढ़ा दे तो उधर से जाओ ना, लेन वो है।
जाओ पीछे जाओ,
सही है, सही है।
जाओ ना पीछे जाओ।